Homonyms are words that sound the same but have different spelling and different meanings. So you have to be careful when you're writing that you actually use the correct one. For example, you have the word steal. Now, steal, spelled with E-A-L, is the verb or action to steal something or to take something that is not yours, whereas steal with two E's is the metal that is used that is quite strong. So if I were to say, do not steal that gum from me, I need to make sure that I am using the correct word, otherwise it will not make sense. If we look at the example that they give us, be sure to leave the gate unlocked. The first gate is part of a fence that you use to open and close to let someone through, whereas the second gate is the gait of a horse when it's running, or kind of the way its feet hit the ground, if it has a smooth gait or a bumpy gait, right? So be sure to leave the gate unlocked. So it doesn't make sense for this to be the way a horse runs. You can't leave the way a horse runs unlocked, but you could leave the gate unlocked. So they're just asking you to put a line through the one that you are not using. Now, I could go through the entire list and tell you what each of the words means, but I think it's more important that you get acquainted with a dictionary. So your challenge for this lesson is to look up each of the words in a dictionary if you're not sure which meaning is which. It could be a real dictionary, it could be an electronic dictionary. That's fine, but look it up so that you can see which form of this word, which meaning goes with which spelling and suits what the sentence is actually asking you for. It should be a fairly quick lesson. Good luck, and I'll talk to you later.